Penelope, you gotta do tummy time. Are you trying to get those fingers? Trying to get those fingers? We hate tummy time, huh? Look at how good you are, though. Oh, yucky. Uh-oh, we need something to wipe you. Oh, yucky. Yucky, let's just get away from that. You're okay. Look at you. Look at you. You're such a big girl. You're such a big girl.
Wow.
Hey, little girl. Look at you.
I am not bigger.
Hi. See, this is fun, huh? You're not sure if you want to laugh or cry.